What's up, my dude? Yeah, crazy hair, don't care. No, not too bad. Looking pretty good. Anyways, today we're gonna be doing some more suspension bits on the Integra once again. Yeah, I think I'm gonna get this baby up to par where she should be. You know, I've had it for the last 11 years so far. So we're gonna be doing some suspension bits. Nothing big, nothing too crazy. It's gonna be some blox racing rear sway bar. I do not have the end link, so we're gonna see how this works. But it is for the 92 to 2000 Civic and the 94 to 01 Integra. 21 mil. I don't know. I mean, it does come with bushings. Sway bar that it has right now. The millimeters. Of course, you got the red. And it's got the part number like it did over there. The blox BX SS 10101. It does come with their urethane bushings, which I am unfamiliar with the brand of these. They're probably just generic, you know. And of course, the reason we all buy car parts is for their stickers. So this guy is only 6 bolts. I'll do a comparison. Yeah, I just have a jack on it, but I got some jack stands in the front, so if it falls, I'm not gonna completely die. But enough about my safety. We're not here for that. We're here for, yes, the car parts. So if you can see the comparison, it's yeah, that's a pencil, and then that is a tree trunk right there. I'll tell you what. Now, I think I have it the right way. I probably don't. No, I probably gotta flip it. It should be like that. Yes, and I'm already chipping the powder coat. But then again, this isn't gonna be. It's gonna be black in no time because this is my daily. So yeah, we remove this guy and it goes the exact same way. Blox logo to the bottom, right there. So let's get this out of the way. And then I'm gonna be doing a ratchet because I'm too lazy to get. You know what? I'm just gonna get the. So first of all, we got to take off this the guide for the that goes on the lure controller. Other side. Now we are free. Both fell out. That is a 14 mil. And that guy right there, that's this guy. These guys. These are the final 2 bolts. Okay, you put it in perspective. This is my finger. So, you know, that's the tip. That's the whole finger. I mean, I know that's a pretty crappy comparison. So yeah, we take these off. Take these off of here. Throw these away. The supplied ones on this guy. It's kind of a tight fit. Since you got them nearby, you can see the old imprint there from the old one, so you can just slide it over to where it needs to go, you know. Same thing over here. Put the guy on there, and then these do slide, so they do slide. What I didn't mention is the end links are here. You're gonna have to pull them off. I think it is also a 12. Yeah. So I don't know. I don't know if I'm supposed to use just this only. That don't look right. I don't know. I'm gonna install it anyways and see what it looks like. I may need to buy something else for it. Go figure. Now it looks like I might be putting these back, the OEM back on. Let's see what this looks like. I might be taking them back off and putting the OEM, or I might not even make this video. On there loosely. Because these skunk tool arm control arms are aluminum, so if you cross thread them or start them off all weird, yeah, there goes your threads. Do the same thing over here. Oh, I need to do more research about these end links. Same thing over here, tighten the corners up. I don't know what I did with my socket. And now tighten up these last two. probably blocking the shot. Well, that's it. Like I said, I'm not too familiar with those end links that I may or may not need to buy, but right now it's swaying. So yeah, pretty aggressive in the back, you know. Got the lower control arms, got the whatever the hell that thing is, support bar or lower, and then the sway bar, and then of course got the max speeding rods, coils. So yeah, that's all I got for today, but if I find anything else out about those end links, I may need to install those later, but I mean, I don't think it hurt it running it like that, because I mean, the sway bar cars run with them or without them. Just, I guess, a little looser, but that should be fine for now. See you on the next one.